Hundreds of websites get launched every single day. Every week, I pick the ones that are actually useful in our daily life and bring them to you. More importantly, they will all be free. Subscribe if you like this series. This is 5 new websites you should try. Episode 1. Let's get started. If you grew up watching old school MTV, you will like this. You will find classic songs from the 80s and 90s here. It works like old TV channel surfing. You don't fully control what comes next. While you're browsing, you might randomly stumble on a song you completely forgot about. You can also pick a curated collection if you don't want it to be completely random. It surfaces songs you wouldn't actively search for. If you have ever thought of opening your device without destroying it, this is where you go. iFixit has step-by-step repair guides for gaming consoles, smartphones, laptops, almost everything. For example, if you own a PlayStation 5, you can find a proper guide to open and clean it. It shows the estimated time, difficulty level, and lists the exact tools you will need. And every step has clear pictures. You will also find guides for replacing batteries, displays, even internal components. The guides are so detailed because iFixit partners with several manufacturers and also performs professional repair services. Even if you don't plan to repair your device, just browsing these guides helps you understand how your gadgets are built. This website is for the creators. It lets you generate an animated dancing character synced to your music. You can upload your own track or paste a YouTube link. You can choose different dance styles, adjust lighting, tweak motion intensity. Then you can upload an image and create a 3D character that actually performs the dance to your music. It analyzes the audio and creates choreography automatically. Once done, you can export the generated animation as a video and use it for reels or shorts. If you have ever heard a viral meme sound effect on Instagram, YouTube Shorts or TikTok and wondered where people get it from, chances are it's here. The interface is simple. The homepage shows you the sounds which are trending. You can also browse by categories. Each sound has a big button. Click it to play the sound or click the title to download the audio file as MP3. You open your fridge, you see random ingredients and you have no idea what to cook. This website will help you with that problem. On this site, you simply select the ingredients you already have. It finds the recipes that match your selection. It even shows recipes where you're missing just 1 or 2 ingredients, so you can decide whether it's worth improvising. The simplicity makes it fast and practical. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you're not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.